Kuri na kihana maithori turaini ria Ruiru gicigo mbunge kia Mioyo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a thutha wa mbathi imwe ya cukuru wa Muthingi wa Maadili kugwa riria iraumite gutwara Arutwo a scouti kuuma kaunti-ini ya Nyeri muthenya wa ira. Arutwo atatu nio marateire mioyo yao kuria angi marahanyukirio thibitaraini wa Murang'a level 4 kuringana na komanda wa borithi Kaiga Mathiu ni atariria ati mbathi iyo irakuite arutwo 38 matereba eri hamwe na arutani atatu. Niongereire na kuga urutwo umwe niwe arakuire hau kuria angi eri marateire mioyo yao maramukagira urigitani. Gavana wa Murang'a Irogo Kang'ata ni akinyitie thibitaraini wa Murang'a level 4 kuria erire aciari a ciana icio matigathinike kuonania thirikari ya kaunti iyo ikurugamirira hari urigiti na marehi.
We are trying our best to ensure we give them the first aid. I had to terminate what I was doing in Nairobi to come and rush here to stand with the families, and the county sent the fire department to evacuate the wreckage at Mioyo. We also want to give an assurance that those who came to Murang'a were attended, but due to the numbers, some of them were transferred to Maragwa because of the sheer numbers.
Niongereire na kuga ni makuongerera machini cia x-ray hamwe na wodi thibitaraini wa Maragwa, Kandara, Kirwara hamwe na thibitaraini ingi kaunti-ini ya Murang'a.
That will be able to get and serve more emergency patients. We are also trying to build capacity in all other hospitals to relieve the pressure on Murang'a level 5. We have increased the number of inpatient wards in Maragwa, in Kandara, Kirwara, and other hospitals so that we try to make our health system more robust.
Muthingi TV,